Hello friends, good evening, welcome to NEET World. This is your Abhilash Sir, Mathematics faculty for JEE, EAP set, KSET and also Foundation. So, we have done with complete integration, that is indefinite integration and also definite integration. In the previous class, we did piecewise continuous functions and also properties of definite integrals, and we also solved the previous year questions pertaining to that. In this class, very importantly, we will be solving JEE Main 2025 questions, that is JEE Main this year question, that is January session also and April session also. So, let us solve some very important questions in this class pertaining to JEE Main 2025 questions. Alright friends, let us start with this. Now, have a look at this question friends. Okay, but before that, I'd like to give one very important information. Very important information regarding what? About our course, that is upcoming course, that is JEE Mains and Advanced long term course, which is starting from July 1st, 2025. And same time, I'd like to inform about our NEET course, which is launched by our NEET World itself. It is long term course for NEET. It is starting from what? It is starting from July 1st. Again, it is the same date, July 1st, 2025 itself. About the unique features of the course, you can check our YouTube channel where we have discussed in detail elaborately about JEE Mains also and Advanced also, and also NEET also, about NEET also, our faculty, respective faculty, about that is about our NEET team has also spoken about the unique features of our NEET long term course. Please do enroll and start preparing early. Don't wait for your counseling. Already you would have known your marks and rank also. If you are not making it to the cut, please start preparing early to get ahead of the competition. Okay, so now let us start with our discussion when it comes to JEE Main 2025 questions pertaining to which chapter? Integration. So now this is JEE Main 2025 question, that is 23rd Jan it was held this exam. Okay, from that exam this is a question that we have taken. So there what they are telling is let x cube sin x dx. Okay, what they are telling is let x cube sin x dx is equal to g of x plus c, where c is a constant of integration. I hope the screen is visible to you. Okay, if no, if please do comment. Okay, brightness less please, brightness should be less. Alright, let me check. You want the brightness to be less? Let me check. Okay, you want the brightness to be less? Let me check. Let me check the screen and get back to you. Brightness. Okay, let me check in the YouTube channel and get back to you. Okay, you two check in the YouTube channel. You two check in the YouTube channel and get back to me and tell me about the brightness. I hope it is fine now. Cam not focused. Let me see. Okay, cam is not focused. Let me see. Just a minute. Now is it focused? Now the cam is focused. Okay. Anyways, I'll write down the question again. Please don't worry. Don't worry about the question. I'll write down the question again. Just a minute. I'll configure the video and then we'll start the class. Okay, until then please try to look at the question and then we'll start solving this. I hope it is clear now. I hope the brightness is fine now. Yes, now it will be fine. Yes, now it is perfectly alright, I feel. Yes, thank you sir. These are admin sir, Nandu sir. Thank you so much. Okay sir, I'll take it forward from here. Thank you so much. Okay. Alright friends, I hope it is clear now. Let us start now. Let us start now. Okay, now it is fine. Yes, thank you. Okay. So, have a look at this question. They are telling, what they are telling is, let integral of x cube sin x dx is equal to g of x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. What the question that they are asking is, if 8 times g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2 is equal to alpha times pi cube plus beta times pi square plus gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma belongs to z. Okay, belongs to z. Okay, then alpha plus beta minus gamma is equal to what? Is the question that they are asking. Now, have a look at this question. Okay, they are asking us what? G of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2. Okay, first we need g of pi by 2. To get g of pi by 2, what I should do? First they have given g of x, we have to find out. To find g of pi by 2, first I should find what? G of x. To find g of x, what I should do friends? I should integrate this. To integrate this, what I have the function? That is x cube sin x dx. Okay, by looking at the function itself, what is the method that I can use? Here I'll integrate by parts. Okay, I'll integrate by parts. Okay, if I integrate by parts, I'll get the answer. Okay, if I integrate by parts, I'll get the answer. So what I should do here? I should integrate by parts. Integration by parts, I have also made a separate video how to use shortcut for integration by parts. But let me do it using the conventional method. Okay, and later on when I do the shortcuts, already you can go to the shorts section in our YouTube channel, you will get the shortcut tricks for integration. Now let me use the conventional method. Here this is the first function, this is the second function. Okay, first function, that means what? I have to integrate this. This will become what? This will become, this will remain as it is. Okay, IIT, as per IIT, algebraic function comes first, then trigonometric function. Integral of cos sin x will be what? Integral of sin x will be minus cos x, okay, minus integral of, what is this? Integral of, this will be 3x square into integral of sin x is what? Into integral of sin x is cos x, correct no? Into integral of sin x is cos x dx. So plus 3 times x square into cos x dx. This one further I should integrate by parts. So carefully let us copy this as it is. We have to copy this as it is. So this becomes what? X cube cos x. Okay, x cube cos x. This is x square cos x, right? This I have to integrate by parts. This will be the first function. This is second function. So this becomes what? 3. Let me write it as it is. This will be x square. Integral of cos x is sin x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. Please remember this. This you must be remembering because you would have already done for your boards. Otherwise also please remember the formulas. Now this will be minus. Okay, alright, this will be 2x into integral of cos x is what? It will be sin x. Okay, it will be sin x. Now this will become equal to what? X cube cos x. This will be 2x into integral of sin x dx. Okay, integral of sin x dx. I'll have 2x into, this will be what? This will be 2 times into x times sin x dx. This is what I'll have. Okay, this is what I'll have within the bracket. Now if I multiply, this is x cube cos x plus 3 into, what is it? I am having 3x square into 3 into sin x is what? This is 3x square into sin x minus 3 to the 6 into integral of x sin x dx. This is what I have, friends. X cube exponential is thought, right? Yes, x cube is exponential thought. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, x cube is the exponential. So x cube is the first function. Okay, x cube is the first function. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So this is what? X sin x dx. So first function is what? First function is x. Second function is sin x. Again I have to apply by parts again. So this I have to copy as it is. This will become minus x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x. Minus, this is 6. I'll write it as it is. This will become what? X into integral of sin x is what? Minus cos x. Will be the integral of sin x. Okay, minus cos x will be the integral of sin x minus d by dx of x will be 1 minus of this. Okay, d by dx of this will be 1 and integral of sin x is what? It will be minus cos x. So minus cos x, it will become minus into minus, it will become cos x. Got it? Minus cos x, this will be plus c. Alright, this is what we have got. Now on further simplification, what I can write this? See here, friends, I can write this as what? I can write this as copy as it is x cube cos x. See, this is actually a very simple question but little calculative. Okay, but if you go through the short section, there I have done integration by parts by using what? By using shortcut method where you can use it very easily. Okay, 3x square sin x minus 6 into x, minus into minus will become plus. Okay, 6 into x cos x plus into minus is minus 6 cos x plus c. This is what, friends? This is nothing but g of x. We got it. Okay, this is nothing but what? We got g of x. Now what they are asking? They are telling, okay, where c is the constant, they are asking us to find g of pi by 2. So g of pi by 2, how to find it? So wherever x is there, I have to find what? I have to put pi by 2, correct? No, wherever x is there, I have to put what? I have to put pi by 2. So g of pi by 2 will become what? G of pi by 2. So one thing you must understand, cos pi by 2, wherever cos is there, it will become 0 because cos pi by 2, what is the value? Cos pi by 2, where x is pi by 2 means, okay, so this becomes what? Cos pi by 2 will become equal to 0. This you already know it. Okay, cos pi by 2 will become equal to 0. So wherever I have cos pi by 2, this term will become 0. This entire term will become 0. Okay, cos, this will become 0 and this will also become 0. Now I am left with what? I am left with only, see here, minus x cube pi by 2. Minus x cube is nothing but what? here it is no need to do it because it is 0 is there. Now 3 into x square, 3 into x square means 3 into x square is x is nothing but what, pi by 2. So this becomes what, 3 into pi square by 4 into sin pi by 2 is what, sin pi by 2 is 1. This is what, plus c. This is what, plus c. So there also plus c is there. We need not worry about plus c because they are telling g of x plus c. We want only g of x. So this will be equal to what? We will take only g of x. We will take only g of x. We will take only g of x because there also plus c is there. Plus c will cancel. So we will take only g of x. G of pi by 2 what we got? 3 into pi by square by 4. Okay. Now what they are asking us to find is, now we have to find what? We have to find, see here, be careful here. They are asking us to find, according to IIT, trigonometric should be first, right? No, IIT, see. According to IIT, see here, IIT. As per IIT, x cube is what? X cube is algebraic. X cube is algebraic. Trigonometry will come second. Trigonometry will come second in a sense after algebraic. Got it? Okay. Whoever is asking the question, according to IIT, trigonometry should come second. Okay. That is after algebraic. Algebraic here it is x cube and trigonometry here is sin x. That should come after algebraic. That is why it is the second function and trigonometry, that is x cube, is the first function. I hope you got it. I hope your comment, I have replied to your comment. Got it? Renukraj, I hope you are following. Got it? Now see here, this is what we got till here. Now they are asking us to find g dash of pi by 2. So we have to find g dash of pi by 2 means, one thing what I can do is, x cube is exponential. No, x cube is not exponential. See here, x cube is not exponential. Observe here carefully. X to the power of 3, that is algebraic. This is algebraic. Okay, don't get confused. This is algebraic. Okay, if I write e to the power of x, this is exponential. Okay, if I write e to the power of sin x, if I write e to the power of t, or if I write e to the power of cos x, or if I write e to the power of tan x, or if I write e to the power of x, e to the power of t square, this is what? These are exponential. X cube is not exponential. Got it? Exponential means e should be there. Got it? X cube, just because something is to the power, that doesn't make it exponential. E to the power of something, it will become exponential. Clear? Got it? Don't get confused. Okay. I hope it is clear. For the basics, please do follow our channel. Okay. This is x cube is what? Algebraic. It is not exponential, friend. Okay. Got it? I hope I have cleared your doubt. Now please continue. Okay. Please continue watching the class. Now they are asking us g dash of x. That means what? G of x we got. G of x we got. G of x is what? What we got? G of x we got it as minus x cube cos x, minus x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x, 3x square sin x plus 6x cos x minus 6 cos x. This is what we got, g of x. Now if you want to find g dash of x, I have to differentiate this. But I won't differentiate this. Why? Because you have to understand one thing. If I differentiate this takes a lot of time. Definitely you can follow this method. You can find g dash of x by differentiating above thing. Okay, whatever is given, you have to differentiate this. But actually we know that by our definition of integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Suppose if I integrate f of x, small f of x dx, okay, this gives me what? Capital F of x plus c. Correct? No. Now I am having this one. So if I differentiate d by dx of capital F of x, d by dx of capital F of x, this gives me directly f of x. Now you can see here, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but small f of x, and what I have got here, this g of x. This g of x is nothing but capital F of x. Okay, this g of x is nothing but capital F of x. Now what I have to do is, if I differentiate this, if I write d by dx of this, I'll get this one. That is nothing but what? If I write here d by dx of what is this? D by dx of f of x, that is nothing but what? I can write it as what? D by dx of, here it is instead of f of x, what they have given? G of x. D by dx of g of x gives me what? D by dx of g of x gives me just g of x. Just the function, that is nothing but whatever is function. What is the function that they have given? That is nothing but x cube sin x. Okay, d by dx of g of x is nothing but what, friends? That is nothing but g dash of x. That is g dash of x. G dash of x is nothing but what? X cube sin x. Okay, x cube sin x is g dash of x. Got it? X cube sin x is g dash of place x. Hindi please. Okay, thank you. Got a bit confused. No need, not a problem. Okay, मैं क्या बोल रहे हैं ना, इधर इंटीग्रेशन और डिफरेंशिएशन एक क्या है, अपोजिट, एक दूसरे का ऑपोजिट है. इधर मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इंटीग्रल ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स. कैपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स क्या है, इफ आई डिफरेंशिएट दिस कैपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स, मुझे क्या आ रहा है, एफ ऑफ एक्स. ओके, डिफरेंशियल ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स मुझे क्या दे रहे हैं, दिस इज एफ ऑफ एक्स. ठीक है, से इसीलिए बाय डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन एंड इंटीग्रेशन मैं इस वजह से करने के वजह मेरा टाइम खराब हो रहा है, इसीलिए मैं दूसरे मेथड कर रहे हैं. ये बेसिक है, क्या है, ये बेसिक है, बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, दैट इज देयर opposite of each other. Got it? I'll try to use Hindi sparingly, okay, because I have to cater to all the kind of students because they have to understand it. Okay, so please follow the concept. Maths doesn't have a language, don't worry about it, just focus on the concepts. So g dash of x, I'll get it as sin x, x cube sin x. Now based on this they're asking what, g dash of pi by 2, they're asking what, g dash of pi by 2. So if I apply this, if I apply pi by 2 here, what it becomes, wherever x is there, if I apply pi by 2, g dash of pi by 2, what it becomes, it is nothing but x cube sin x. So x cube is nothing but what, pi by 2 cube. So this become pi by 2, 2 cube is nothing but 8. So sin pi by 2 is nothing but 1, sin pi by 2 I'll write it. Okay, x cube की जगह मैं pi by 2 डाल रहा है, क्या देगा मुझे, है pi cube by 8. sin pi by 2 means, sin x means sin pi by 2, that is nothing but equal to 1. So g dash of pi by 2 is nothing but equal to pi cube by 8. Got it? So I got pi cube by 8. Now they are asking us what? They are asking us, they have given, what is the equation that they have given? Just a minute. What is the equation that they have given? Focus on the equation that they have given. They have given an equation that if 8 g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2 is equal to this equation, then they are asking us to find alpha plus beta minus gamma. So let me simplify this. They are asking us to find, they are asking us to find what? If 8 they are only giving us 8 times g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2 is equal to what? G dash of pi by 2 is equal to what, their friends? They are telling alpha times beta cube plus beta times pi square. Okay, alpha times pi cube plus beta times pi square plus gamma. Okay, now I got what, 8 times, this is pi by 2, what I got, pi by 2, g times pi by 2 I got it as 8 into g times pi by 2, what I got, 3 into pi square by 4, 3 into pi square by 4 plus g dash of pi by 2, what I got, g dash of pi by 2 is pi cube by 8, I got it as pi cube by 8. Okay, this is equal to what, this is equal to alpha into beta pi cube plus beta into pi square plus gamma. See, it's a simple question, it's calculative, but it is taking time because I am taking time to explain to you each and every step, but actually the concept becomes very clear. Got it? Clear? Sports highlights, that's good, that means you are a sports fan, that's very good. I do like sports, so sports students are very logical, so they will be very good in maths also, I feel. So if I multiply this, what I will get, 8 into 3, so 24 by 4, this gives me what, 6 pi square. 8 into 3 is 24, 24 by 4 is 6 pi square plus 8 into pi cube by 8 is, will give me just pi cube. Okay, this will be equal to what, alpha into beta cube plus beta into pi square plus gamma. Now look at pi cube here is what, pi cube here is, here it is having 1 pi cube, so here it is alpha pi cube. So if I compare, and comparing I will get alpha is equal to 1. Okay, and comparing I will get alpha is equal to 1, and comparing this I will get alpha is equal to 1. Now look at pi square is having beta, here pi square is having 6. Okay, so I will get what, I will get beta is equal to what, I will get beta is equal to 6, I will get beta is equal to 6. What about gamma? Gamma is not having any number, here, that means what, gamma will be equal to 0, Now what is the value that they are asking? Alpha plus beta minus gamma, alpha plus beta minus gamma is the thing that they are asking. Now let us have a look at it. Have we done any mistake here? G dash pi by 2, so pi cube by 8. Okay, here there is a mistake that we have done. Okay, here there is a mistake that we have done. So that is what, pi cube by 8, pi cube by what is it, 2 cube. 2 cube is what, 8. Okay, that is fine. Okay, that is fine. Now let us have a look where we have done the mistake. Pi cube, x cube is pi cube into pi cube by 2, 2 cube. Okay, this is 3 into pi square by 4, 3 into pi square by 4, that is 3 into this will become 4 2s are 3 2s are 6 pi square, this will be pi cube this will be pi cube. Okay, all right, alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma, alpha plus beta minus gamma, alpha plus beta minus gamma. So I'll get it as alpha plus beta minus gamma is what I'll get it. Just have a look at it. Just have a look at it. No need to worry. You have to understand the approach. You have to understand the approach. Alpha plus beta minus gamma. This gives me 7. Okay, this gives me 7. Okay, this gives me 7 minus 0. That will be 7 itself. Now, based on this alpha plus beta minus gamma, I think the question is incomplete. Let us have hi bye. I got 440 in it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just some interruption in the video. Just a minute. Have some patience. See, whoever is commenting like this, Ashish Kumar, I am telling you, okay, if you are having some civilized behavior, okay, please abstain from commenting like this, because we don't encourage such comments. Okay, because we don't encourage such comments. Please understand that we don't encourage such comments. Okay, please don't comment like this, and don't waste others' time and ours time also. It's very easy to sit and comment like that, but please don't do that. Please refrain from doing that, because it's of no use to you or to us. Got it? It's of no use to you or to us. Okay, it's of no use to you or to us. So please stop commenting like this. Okay, it is good for you and good for others also. Got it, Ashish? All right, let us continue here. So here actually, while solving this, here we have left out one thing. Actually here we have left out one thing. Here actually, if I take this common, I'll get here minus 6 also. Okay, Ashish Kumar, please stop commenting like this. It is good for you. Okay, here it will be 3 pi square minus 6. Minus 6 also will be there. Okay, if it is minus 6, what happens is, here we will have what? Just a minute. Here we will have. If I multiply by 8, 8 into 6 is minus 48. Okay, this gamma will be equal to what? Gamma will become equal to minus 48. Gamma will become equal to minus 48. So this entire thing will change. This entire thing will change. So now if I compare, alpha will become equal to what? Now if I compare, alpha will become equal to what? Please pay patience and listen. Some people just come for time pass and waste our time and their time also. So just ignore about them in the comment section. Okay, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to minus 48. Gamma is equal to minus 48. Now what happens is, now if you do this, okay, now what they are asking, alpha plus beta minus gamma. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to what? Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Alpha plus beta is equal to 6 plus 1. Minus gamma is minus into minus 48. That is nothing but equal to what? 7 plus 48. Okay, that is nothing but equal to 55. So we got the answer as what? 55, which is nothing but option A. That is nothing but what, friends? That is nothing but option A is the right answer. Okay, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay, 55 is the this thing. Option A is the right answer. Okay, if you have such doubts, Ashish Kumar, you have our institute number, you can call to us and talk to us. Okay, such uncivilized doubts if you have, you know how to give it back. Clear? Okay, other students, don't worry. Let us continue from here. Okay, let us continue from here. So let us move to the next question, friends. I hope it is clear. If you want the solution, you can please take a screenshot of this. Let us move to the next question. If you want the solution, you can please take a screenshot of this. Okay. Abhinav Anand, what is your doubt? I am talking about some person who has commented it which is not your coaching address. Our coaching address is Narayanguda, Hyderabad. Our coaching address is Narayanguda, Hyderabad. Okay, just a minute. Okay, let us move to the next question. Okay, just a minute. Let's see comments. Okay. Okay, regarding the coaching address and all, our team will comment to you. Okay. And Ashish Kumar, please refrain from messaging or commenting such way. That is not good for you or to anyone. Don't waste our time. Got it? Our coaching address, Abhinav, you will get it right now. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so let us continue. The next question. This question I hope all of you understood. Let us move to the next question. So this is the question JEE Main 28 Jan 2025. This is shift 2 question. So see here, they are telling us what? They are telling us, see here, if f of x is equal to 1 by x to the power of 1 by 4, they are telling, they are given the fourth root, f of 0 is given as minus 6, then they are asking us f of 1 is equal to what? Okay, this is fairly simple question. This is based on what? Integration by substitution. This is based on integration by substitution. That is what? X to the power of 1 by 4, I can take it as what? T. Okay, x to the power of 1 by 4, I can take it as t. So x will become what? T to the power of 4. Okay, now if I differentiate both sides, this will become what? D of x is equal to 4t cube dt. 4t cube dt. So d of x will become what? 4t cube dt. So wherever d of x is there, I should put what? T cube dt. 4 will come outside. So x to the power of 1 by 4 is there. There I should put what? It will become t. So this function will transform into what? This will become equal to integral of, okay, 4 into t cube dt by t into 1 plus by t into 1 plus t by t into 1 plus t. So this will become what? 4 into t cube dt. Okay, 4 into t cube dt by t into 1 plus t. Got it? By t into 1 plus t. Now what I can do here? I can do what? I can write what here? T I can cancel. This will become what? 4 times t square dt by what I can write here? T plus 1. 1 plus t or t plus 1 is one and the same, correct? No. Now this t square, I have taught you in sequence and series. Those who are following regularly will understand this. T square, what I can write? I can write t square, nothing is there means I can add 1 and I can separate 1, correct? No. This becomes what? So this will transform into, I will write here 4 times t square minus 1 plus 1 by t plus 1. Now this t square minus 1, I will put a bracket, I will write it like this. T square minus 1 is nothing but what? A square minus b square, that formula that can be written as what? T minus 1 into t plus 1. Okay, if I separate and divide it, what I will have? So this will be t minus 1 into t plus 1 divided by t plus 1. Okay, let me write it here again. Let me use some more space. Narayanguda, Hyderabad. Okay, that's good. I have team mouse got back to you. That is the address, Abhinav Anand. Okay, now this will become what? 4 times t minus 1 into t plus 1 by t plus 1 into 1 by t plus 1. Okay, this is what we got. Okay, still we have not integrated it, be careful. Still we have not integrated it, this should be dt. Now this t plus 1 cancels, I will have what? 4 times t minus 1 into plus 1 by t plus 1 dt, this is what I will have. Now what I can do is here 4 times t minus 1 is there. On integrating this, what I will have? This will become 4 is completely there everywhere. So this 4 I will write it here. This will become what? T square by 2. This will be t square by 2 minus t plus log of t plus 1 plus log of t plus 1. Okay, log of t plus 1 plus c. This is what we got as integral. After integration we got this. Now what they are telling is, see here, observe here, what they are telling us is, now I hope you understood till here how to integrate. Now what they are telling us is f of 0 is equal to minus 6. F of 0 is equal to minus 6. Now I will write it here, f of 0. F of 0, if I keep it, this is what we got, this is nothing but what? We got it as what? T we took it as x to the power of 1 by 4. X to the power of 1 by 4. So wherever t is there, let me use x to the power of 1 by 4. This becomes what? 4 into x to the power of 1 by 4 to the whole square. X to the power of 1 by 4 to the whole square will become what? X to the power of 1 by 4 to whole square by 2 minus x to the power of 1 by 4 plus log of x to the power of 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, this is what we got, f of x. So this will become what, friends? This will become x to the power of 1 by 2. So this will become what? 4 times f of x will become equal to 4 times x to the power of 1 by 2 by 2 minus x to the power of 1 by 4, okay, plus log of x to the power of 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. Now they are telling f of 0 is equal to minus 6. Let me write f of 0. If I write f of 0, this is what? 0 by 0, 0 by 2 is 0 itself, minus 0 to the power of something is 0 itself. Okay, now log of x to the power of 0, this will be 0 means that is log of 1. Log of 1 is also 0. So we will get c. Okay, so f of 0 is what? Minus 6. So we will get c is equal to minus 6. Very important. We got what? C is equal to minus 6. Now what they are asking us? They are asking us f of 1. Okay, this is a halva question, very simple question actually. So we have to find what? F of 1. So we have to find what? F of 1. So f of x we got it. From f of x we have to transform it into f of 1. So this will become what? 4 times 1 by 2 minus 1 plus log of 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Okay, this is what? Plus c. Plus c is what? C we got it as what? Minus 6. C we got it as what? Minus 6. So f of 1 will be equal to what, friends? 1 minus half minus 1. This will become what? 4 into minus half plus log 2. Log 2 minus 6. Okay, this will become what? F of 1 will be equal to minus 2 plus 4 times log 2 minus 6. So this becomes what? F of 1 will be equal to minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. So 4 log 2 minus 8. Now if I take 4 common, what I can write it? So f of 1 will be equal to 4 times log 2 minus 2. 4 times log 2 minus 2. So f of 1 will be equal to 4 times log 2 minus 2. So we got the answer as 4 times log 2 minus 2, which is the option 4 times log 2 minus 2, that is option A. Option A is the right answer, friends. Option A is the right answer to this question. Clear? This is how we solved this. First we found out f of x, okay, by integrating. Then we wrote f of 0 to find what is the value of c. C value got it as what? Minus 6. Okay, c value got it as what? Minus 6. And then what we used? We used the value of c, and also we put f of x as f of 1, and then we got the value of f of n as 4 times log 2 minus 2. Okay, this is the right answer to this question. Let us move to the next question, friends. Let us move to the next question. So this is the question that they have given. Have a look at it. See here, have a look at it. This is the question that they have given. JEE Main 23rd Jan question. Okay, so they have given I of x is equal to integral of dx by x minus 11 to the power of 11 by 13 x plus 15 to the power of 15 by 13. If I of 37 minus I of 24 is equal to 1 by 4, something is given. BC belongs to natural numbers. Then they are asking us to find 3 times b plus c is equal to what? Okay, this appears like a difficult question, but we will transform it into a question where you can solve it very easily. Clear, friends? Let us have a look at this question. Now have a look at this question. They have given what is the integral function that they have given. See here, I of x is equal to, they have given integral of dx by x minus 11 to the power of 11 by 13 into x plus 15 to the power of 15 by 13. Now here I have to do manipulation for me to apply some formula of integral or to apply some method. So I have to modify in this between x minus 11 and x plus 15, correct? No. So if I have to modify here, what I have to do is, see here, what happens here is, so x plus 15 is given, here x minus 11 is given. Always take the bigger number in terms of what? Power. 11 by 13, here 15 by 13. So bigger number, what I should do? Let me divide and multiply by this. I have to divide and multiply by this one. I have to divide and multiply by which one? This is my star step. So let me use a different color. I have to divide and multiply by this entire thing. So if I divide and multiply, this will become what? X plus 15 to the power of 15 by 13. So divided by, not 15 by 13, let me divide and multiply by 11 by 13. 11 by 13, because here power is 11 by 13. So this will be x plus 15 by, this will be divided by x plus 15 to the power of 11 by 13. Now this entire thing transforms into what? This entire thing will transform into, this will transform into integral of dx by x minus 11 by x plus 15 to the power of 11 by 13. Everything is under 11 by 13. Now x plus 15 to the power of 15 by 13 plus 11 by 13. This gives me what? This gives me 26 by 13, that is nothing but 2. So this becomes what, friends? X plus 15 to the power of 2. This becomes what? X plus 15 to the power of 2. Now I have to do the substitution by looking at this. By solving many questions, you will understand the approach that, see, you may get the solutions in many places, but understanding the approach is what helps you. Then you can solve any number of questions. Understanding the approach, how to attack the question, should be your main motto of understanding the concept. Then you can apply the concepts. Here, if I put t is equal to x minus 11 by x plus 15, okay, x minus 11 by x plus 15, what I will get? If I put t is equal to x minus 11 by x plus 15, what I will get? So if I write it like this, so this gives me what? This gives me, see here, if I put t is equal to like this, then if I have to find dt, I have to apply what? I have to apply quotient rule. Quotient rule if I apply, this will become what? X plus y, x plus 15 to the power of whole square. Okay. Then by applying quotient rule, x plus 15 into 1 minus what I will get, x minus 11 into 1, okay, x minus 11 into 1. So this will become what, x plus 15 minus x plus 11, okay, minus x plus 11 divided by x plus 15 whole square, x plus 15 whole square. So what happens, x and x gets cancelled, okay, 15 plus 11 is what, 26. So this becomes what, this becomes what, 26 by x plus 15 whole square dx, okay, 26 by x plus 15 whole square dx, 26 by x plus 15 whole square dx. Now if I apply the concept, that means if I put the value of 26 by x plus 15 whole square dx as is equal to dt. So dx is equal to what, dx is equal to what, dx is equal to 26 dt by 26, okay, this entire thing, observe here, this is what, observe here carefully, observe here carefully, let me use another color, see here, observe here carefully, see here, this dx into x plus 15 whole square is transformed into dt by 26, dt by 26 will come down. Now next step is what, so my entire integrand has transformed into this thing. So this will become what, this will become equal to, let us use another color, see here, this will become equal to, okay, dt by 26, okay, into what is this, what I took, this whole thing is nothing but t to the power of 11 by 13 dt, t to the power of 11 by 13 dt. Now 1 by 26 is there, okay, if I integrate this, this will become what, integral of t to the power of minus 11 by 13 dt, okay, this will become 1 by 26 t to the power of minus 11 by 13 plus 1, that is t to the power of minus 11 by 13 plus 1 by minus 11 by 13 plus 1, that is into the power of x to the integral of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is the formula I have used. This will become plus c. So this will transform into what, this will transform into what, observe here carefully, this will transform into 1 by 26 into t to the power of minus 11 by 13 plus 1 is, it is nothing but t to the power of 2, this will become what, this will become what, this will become t to the power of, what is it, it will become t to the power of 2 by 13, this will become t to the power of 2 by 13, t to the power of 2 by 13, this will become what, this will also become 2 by 13, so this will become 13 by 2, 2 by 13 will transform into 13 by 2, so this will become what, 13 ones are 13 twos are, so I will get it as what, 1 by 4 into t to the power of 2 by 13, t, what is the value out of, t I took it as x minus 11 by x plus 15, so this will become what, x minus 11 by x plus 15 to the power of 2 by 13, okay, x minus 11 by x plus 15 to the power of 2 by 13. So what the question that they are telling, what is that they are telling in the question, observe carefully, what is that they are telling, this is equal to, so if I of 37 minus I of 24, okay, what we got here, this is nothing but what we got here, this is I of x, this is I of x. Now I of 27, I of, what is it, I of, actually I of 37 minus I of 24, I of 37 minus I of 24. So we have to put, wherever x is there, first we have to put 37, okay. So what I will get, I of 37, observe very carefully, I of 37, okay, I of 37 is equal to what, let me write it here, I of 37 minus I of 24 is equal to what, they are telling 1 by 4 times 1 by b to the power of 1 by 13 minus 1 by c to the power of 1 by 13, okay, 1 by c to the power of 1 by 13 is what they are telling. Now I of 37 is what, I of 37 is 1 by 4, I will take it common, this will become what, this will become x minus 11, x is what, 37, 37 minus 11 is what, 26, okay, 26, 37 plus 37 plus 15 is what, 52, to the power of what, to the power of 2 by 13 minus what is it, I of 24, I of 24 is what, x minus 24, 24 minus 11 is what, 13, okay, 13 by what is it, 24 plus 15 is what, 39, to the power of 2 by 13, this is entire 1 by 4 into 1 by b to the power of 1 by 13 minus 1 by c to the power of 1 by 13. This 1 by 4 I can cancel both the sides, this will be what friends, this will be equal to 26 ones are 26, what it is, 26 ones are 26 twos are, this will be 13 ones are 13 threes are, okay, 13 ones are 13 threes are. Now this will be equal to what, this will be equal to 1 by, if I send this 2 inside, this will become 1 by 4 into to the power of 1 by 13, this will become what, if I send this 2 here, this will become 1 by 9 to the power of 1 by 13, that is nothing but equal to 1 by b to the power of 1 by 13 minus 1 by c to the power of 1 by 13. Now if I simplify this and write it, okay, if I, on further simplification, if I write it, this will become what friends, 1 by 4 to the power of 1 by 13 minus 1 by 9 to the power of 1 by 13. This is what I get. This will be equal to 1 by b to the power of 1 by 13 minus 1 by c to the power of 1 by 13. Got it, friends? On comparing what I am getting, I will get b is equal to what? I will get b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 9. I got b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 9. Now what they are asking us? What they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find 3 times b plus c. 3 times b plus c. b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 9. So they are asking us to find 3 times b plus c. 3 times b plus c they are asking. Very simple. b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 9. Okay, c is equal to what? This is what? c is equal to 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 3 is 39. Okay, 13 3 is 39. So the answer to this question is option C. Okay, the answer to this question is option C. I hope it is clear to all of you. So the answer to this question is option C, friends. This is how you have to solve this question. Clear? So first, the most important step is the first step, that is where I have told you here. Observe carefully. Here, out of the powers, x minus 11 to the power of 11 by 13, x plus 15 to the power of 15 by 13, whichever is having the highest power, take that term, divide and multiply by that term, but use the power as of that of the lower term. That is, lower term, what is the power that it is having? 11 by 13. So divide and multiply by that term, that is x plus 15 is same, but power should be lower term, 11 by 13, 11 by 13. Clear, friends? This is how you have to solve this question. Based on that, this one you have to take it as t, you will get this as dx. Okay, clearly got that as dx here, as you can observe here. Okay, so dx will be equal to what? dt by 26. Okay, dx by x plus 15 whole square is nothing but dt by 26. Let me write this step here. This implies dt by 26 is equal to dx by x plus 15 whole square. Okay, so that is what I put it here, and we got the answer that is required, that is 3 times of b plus c is equal to 39. Clear, friends? This is how we have to solve this question. Please do follow NEET World. Okay, for such more questions. Tomorrow also we will be solving JEE Main PYQs itself, that is 2025 PYQs. So you will get a lot of insights and knowledge when it comes to the concept that is required for to crack JEE Mains, and also further when it comes to advanced. Okay, so please do stay tuned for NEET World. Tomorrow also we will be taking the class at, you will be notified. Please do follow our channel, maybe at 5 o'clock or 6 p.m. 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Please do follow our channel. Okay, so tomorrow also we will be coming up with lot of questions when it comes to JEE Mains. So today in this question, the limited number of questions which we solved, we were able to explore lot of concepts. Okay, when it comes to indefinite integration and also definite. Clear? Thank you. I will wind up now. Take care. And again, I would like to remind you, if it is MPC students, JEE long term classes are starting from July 1st. Okay, and when if we are BPC students, okay, NEET long term classes are starting from 1st July 2025 itself. Okay, stay tuned for NEET World. Thank you. Take care.